our channel and we're going to
Tagaytay.
the gate. And I heard it's a really nice hotel. I'm watching us.
Hi. You still get ready.
Yeah. I'm waiting.
Yeah, this Jersey. Still yan. Okay, bye.
So,
See you later.
bye for now. Bye.
Tagaytay. Gusto kami Tagaytay.
Ganda, kitang-kita ako.
Bye.
Ito sa salita ka din.
Tagaytay.
Hi, we're in our hotel.
Yeah, in Taal Vista Hotel.
You have to be quiet.
Alam mo yung password ko.
Diba kasi
Hindi ako makaano.
the top of this mountain. Tara.
Mountain.
Wow, this is so cool. There's the Sky Ranch. Wow. Swimming pool. Bakit?
Ay, Jay, baka bagalitan ka ni Uncle Ken.
Bye.
Tama.
Tatapos lang natin kasi. Good evening. We're, andito kami sa kainan. Nikki. Nick. Vlog. Bye-bye.
Welcome back to our channel.
I just woke up.
She had a shower up.
And we're going to get breakfast.
At our food. And we're going to swing.
Later. Again.
I know.
See you later. Bye. Nikki, a vlog.
Hi, guys.
Vlog.
For our lunch.
For our lunch. For our lunch.
Jay Rivera.
We're in Santo. Hindi,
Walaan lang yan.
Santo Casual Ramen Tiny.
Wow. Mas mga
Nikki.
tipo ko ng tulo.
Naku. Nikki, vlog.
Iwi naman eh.
Ano? We ate dinner. Ito.
Ito.
Nick, it's our vlog. Say hi. We just ate dinner.
Yeah.
I'm so full. Really full.
Yan.
We're on outside. So hard. Hayat naman. Hayat naman. So bye.
Yan. Yan.
This is our last day today in our hotel. Oh,
We'll be happy mama.
kaka-check out lang namin sa hotel. And we're having a lunch. And there's Nikki playing there. There, something there. Let's check out in our hotel.
Mikey, sige mo nung upo tayo dito, diba?
We just check out in our hotel. And we're having a lunch now.
Sabi ko nung umupo tayo.
Earlier we go to Sky Ranch. Again. I forgot to do a vlog. So yeah. See you later. Bye.